So let's bring in criminal defense attorney Eric Faddis to weigh in a bit more on this. Eric, thank you so much for your time. As you can see, the former mayor is still taking questions there at the microphones. Is it smart for him to be speaking out and taking questions at this point?
You know, Nichole, when we look at the very basis for this defamation case, I think it's not smart for him to just be going off the cuff and spouting off whatever he wants in public like this. He's bound to state something inartfully or perhaps misrepresent something. And that's how we got here for this defamation case in the first place. So certainly if I was his attorney, I would not be advising him to do this. He's really talking about everything except his non-compliance with this forfeiture order.
Yeah, I was a little surprised that his attorneys, at least up until this point, have not stepped in to say, hey, maybe we cut this short, no more questions. We know he's already been ordered to pay a very high penalty, Eric. Is it possible that could be increased because of his actions thus far?
Well, I think it's unlikely, but possibly. Anytime a person does not comply with a court order, they could be subject to contempt. And it's my understanding, according to a Reuters report, that the judge actually brought that up to Rudy Giuliani in the hearing today. Sometimes contempt can take the form of an additional fine. So could he be on the hook for more funds? It's possible.
And so we know that they had attempted to go to his apartment to retrieve some valuables that were not there, that apparently had been cleared out weeks ago. But Eric, talk about his defense team tactics, because they claim he should not be forced to turn over his belongings while he is appealing. And they called this legal back and forth intimidation tactics, which is an interesting term coming from his team.
Yeah, I was kind of, it's a bit of a head scratcher to me because, certainly he wants to stay the execution of the judgment while he's appealing. Everybody who seeks an appeal wants to do that, but it's not often granted. So a judge said, no, you've got to forfeit your physical assets because you can't actually pay the judgment against you. And so he's saying, no, I don't want to do that, but that's not really a defense.
And Eric, I just want to ask you really quickly, when it comes to these two Georgia election workers who won that $148 million defamation judgment against him, do you think they are ever likely to see a full payout?
I think it's unlikely. That is a staggering sum for anybody, including Rudy Giuliani. He does have apparently a $5 million luxury mansion. He has the 1980 Mercedes-Benz vehicle you mentioned. He's got a number of luxury watches, but none of that I think is going to come close to $148 million. So the best they can do is try to secure these assets. That's what they're trying to do, and it appears Giuliani is resisting that.
And the former mayor is still there at the microphones talking to reporters. All right. Criminal defense attorney Eric Faddis, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.